tayo, mag-recharge tayo rito, exercise, operationalize, and live out the values of Antipolo Doctors Hospital. No? Genuine care, integrity, faith in God, and trust for the next. Good morning to everyone.
Time has come. Let's just run.
Itong sports fest na to, give it your best shot para pwede kayo mag-angas sa loob ng ospital na kami ang champion. I'm sure maganda yung mga ganitong opportunity na makilala natin ang bawat isa. Give way! Say it, mga hangers on the way! Team Blast Mavericks, let's go! Team Blast Mavericks, let's go!
So it's very heartening to see everybody here enjoying, building camaraderie. Good luck to all the players.
Nagkaroon po tayo for the first time ng Sports Fest, kung saan po nagkakaroon po tayo ng unity.
Na-experience ko today is masaya, pagkakaroon ng pagkakaibigan sa iba't ibang department.
Thankful ako sa ADH kasi nagkaroon kami ng ganitong event.
So looking forward po na magkaroon pa ng mga second time, third time, so on.